Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'll be restoring the moisture in my hair and I'll also be showing you guys my twist out routine. As you can see, my hair is super dry and I'm going to start out with deep conditioning my hair. I deep condition first because I noticed that my hair feels so much softer than when I deep condition after I shampoo. Also, it eliminates having to go in the shower more than once. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into two parts. I clip up one section and start with the back end of the other section. I'm first going to spray that section down with water to get the hair really damp. The deep conditioner I'm using today is the Shea Moisture High Porosity Moisture Correct Mask. It really helps with restoring moisture and strength to my hair, so I really like it for times like this. So I take a pretty generous amount and begin to work that into my hair, spraying more water if needed. Deep conditioning before shampoo also makes detangling so much easier because of the slip that the conditioner provides. So once the conditioner is distributed, I begin to separate that section into smaller parts and rake my fingers through my hair like a comb. I try my best to be gentle and take my time detangling the knots. Once I'm finished detangling, I twist the section up and repeat that process on another section. So now I'm going to speed it up and let you guys enjoy my mini concert that I was having. So I just wanted to show you guys what happens when you wear too much slick ponytails and put too much tension on your edges. It's finally growing back, but I just wanted to show you guys the breakage. It's safe to say I learned my lesson. Okay, so my hair is all twisted up with deep conditioner and I'm going to add my oil to my scalp. This oil has many different ingredients, but the main ingredients are peppermint and tea tree oil. It really helps with my dry and itchy scalp, and if you have this problem as well, I suggest you try it. I'll provide all of the ingredients in the description below, but my scalp stays itch-free for about a week when I do this. Just a reminder that shrinkage is real. One section of my hair has a tighter pattern than the other, so it appears shorter, but my hair is definitely even. Okay, so I'm gonna sit with this deep conditioner in my hair for about an hour, and then I'm gonna get in the shower and wash my hair, and I'll be back once my hair is clean. Okay, so I am back from the shower and my hair is soaking wet. Don't mind my camera, it was shaking while I filmed this, but my hair is feeling very soft and very moisturized. I'm gonna wrap my hair in a cotton t-shirt to soak up that excess water. After about an hour, I'll come back and twist my hair. I gotta, let my arms rest. So I'm back and my hair is still kind of damp, which is what I want. My star product that I'm using today is the Camille Rose Curlaide Moisture Butter. So I'm going to part my hair into two sections once again. I'm going to pin up one section and then work on the back end of the other section. So first thing I do is add some of my styling product and make sure it's well distributed. You'll know how much to add based on how your hair feels. I always add more if I'm not satisfied. Next, I take my wide tooth comb and comb through any knots or tangles. I actually lost my wide tooth comb, so this is all I have, but it gets the job done without pulling my hair out. Once I've detangled, I add my oil. Again, you'll know how much you need by how your hair feels. And then I twist that section up, and that's it. Sometimes I'll spray the end of my hair to help it curl up and lock in that twist. From here on out, I'm just repeating the same steps: curl butter, detangle, add oil, and twist. So a little more on the Camille Rose Curlaide Moisture Butter. I have fallen in love. It leaves my hair feeling soft and moisturized, and my hair looks so shiny once it dries. And my hair stays this way for about a week. Also, it gives me a defined twist style without feeling sticky or crunchy. If you have not tried this as yet, I definitely recommend you pick it up. Also, as you can see, I'm not doing this twist out on soaking wet hair or using a ton of product. I prefer this way because I need my hair to be completely dry the next day. If you're working or you have somewhere to be in the morning and don't have enough time to wait for your hair to dry, this method is perfect for you. And you can see that my hair is still moisturized and shiny once I'm done. I'm going to let this dry overnight and take it down in the morning. So it's time to take the twist down, and I'm using the banding method to stretch and elongate my twist. I do this while I'm doing my makeup so it has some time to stretch. I'm going to add some oil to my hands to add extra shine to my hair and avoid frizz when taking down the twist. So when taking down my twists, I twist them the opposite way so that they unravel naturally, and then I separate them where they would naturally separate. Once I get to the twists at the top, you'll see what I mean, but this helps to avoid any unnecessary frizz. I just wanted to give you guys a little slow motion action to show how shiny and defined and bouncy my hair is. Stiff wear. Once I'm done taking the twist down, I just use my hands to fluff it out. I'm basically using my fingers as a pick because I don't like the idea of potentially tangling my roots. Of course, a pick might get more volume, but I like the results I get without it. So I'm just separating any pieces that I miss and fluffing to my liking. And here is the back, all nice and shiny. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna